Feeling overwhelmed by the thought of building a website? You're not alone, but guess what? Anyone can do it with the right guidance. This video is a quick overview of our tutorial for mastering website design, picking the right tools, and making your site look stunning. By the end of this video, you'll have an idea of how to make a site that not only looks good, but works seamlessly. Ready to dive in? When it comes to website design, first impressions matter. Your website can make or break the user experience. An appealing, well-crafted design builds trust and credibility, essential for keeping visitors on your site. Think of your website like a store. If it's messy and disorganized, visitors will leave. User experience (UX) is all about how visitors interact with your site. A smooth experience keeps them engaged. User interface (UI) focuses on the visual aspects like buttons and layout. It should be visually appealing and consistent. Content should be clear, concise, and relevant, addressing the needs of your audience. Loading speed is crucial. Nobody likes a slow website, so make sure your site is optimized to load quickly. Avoid common mistakes like overloading with information and inconsistent design. Your site must be mobile-friendly, as many people browse on their phones. Choosing the right tools and platforms is key. Popular options for beginners include WordPress, Wix, and Squarespace. WordPress offers flexibility and a vast array of plugins, perfect for customization. Wix provides a drag-and-drop interface, making it easy to create beautiful websites without technical skills. Squarespace offers sleek, modern templates and integrates well with various third-party services. When choosing a platform, consider ease of use, customization options, and cost. Define your website's purpose, assess your budget, and evaluate features to choose the best platform for you. Planning your website structure is like arranging furniture in a new apartment. You want everything to flow just right. Design an intuitive navigation system to ensure visitors can easily find what they need. A user-friendly layout is like a comfy couch. Everyone wants to stay a while. Choose colors that match your website's purpose and theme to evoke the right emotions. Select fonts that are legible and fit your site's personality, enhancing readability. Use high-quality images that fit the overall theme and message of your site. Optimize your website's loading speed by minimizing HTTP requests and compressing images. SEO is about making your site easy for search engines to understand. Use keywords naturally and create quality content. Ensure your site is mobile responsive with flexible layouts that adjust to different screen sizes. Conduct usability testing to check all links, forms, and interactive features before launching. Prepare for launch day by ensuring DNS settings are correct and testing your site on multiple browsers and devices. Post-launch, maintain your site by regularly checking for broken links, updating content, and monitoring performance. Stay updated with design trends, find inspiration, and use resources like online courses and community forums to keep learning. Embrace the journey of web design. Every project is an opportunity to improve your skills and express your creativity.